Ace your vocabulary tests, tips and tricks. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that a lot of English learners find challenging: vocabulary tests. Whether you're preparing for an ESL exam or a standardized test that includes an English section, mastering vocabulary can make a significant difference in your scores. So, let's get started. Vocabulary tests are a common component of language assessments and educational curricula. Why? Because vocabulary is the cornerstone of communication. Your vocabulary range is a key indicator of your ability to understand and express ideas in English. These tests can also measure other skills indirectly, such as reading, comprehension, and analytical thinking. Before we go on to the strategies, it's crucial to understand the different types of vocabulary tests you might encounter. Multiple choice questions. These are questions where you'll need to pick the correct answer from a list of options. Fill in the blanks. Here, you'll be given a sentence with a missing word and you have to fill in the gap. Matching. In this format, you'll match words with their corresponding definitions or synonyms. True or false. You might also come across statements that you'll have to identify as true or false based on the vocabulary used. Knowing the type of questions you'll face will help you prepare effectively. Now let's look at some study techniques that can really give you an edge. Flashcards. This is a classic but effective method. Write the word on one side of a card and its definition, or a sentence using the word, on the other. Spaced repetition. Instead of cramming all at once, review your vocabulary over spaced intervals. This boosts memory retention. Context clues. Whenever you come across a new word, look at the words around it. The context often gives you a hint about its meaning. Alright, you've studied hard, and now it's time for the test. Here are some strategies specifically for test day. Elimination technique. In multiple choice questions, eliminate the options that are obviously wrong. Educated guessing. If you don't know the answer, try to make an educated guess. Any answer is better than no answer. Time management. Don't spend too much time on one question. Move on and come back to it if you have time at the end. Lastly, let's talk about some common mistakes. Overthinking. Sometimes the simplest answer is the right one. Ignoring prefixes and suffixes. These can often help you understand the meaning of a word. Not reviewing. Always review your answers if time allows. You might catch a mistake or two. And there we have it, folks. I hope you found this video helpful for acing your vocabulary tests. Remember, vocabulary isn't just about memorization. It's about understanding and application. So, keep practicing, and you'll see improvement in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this useful. Until next time, happy studying!